In pharma and healthcare, every data-driven decision means looking across platforms. Patent intelligence in one tool, pricing in another. Supply risk, prescribers, coverage, a dozen subscriptions that don't share a single ID. The answer you need is scattered across all of them, and just pulling it together, compiling and analyzing it, takes weeks. So what if it all lived in one place? This is TransDataNexus, an AI-native platform for U.S. healthcare and pharma. We've connected the entire landscape, every approval, every factory, every prescription, every price and coverage decision, more than 90 authorized sources, billions of data points, into a single graph you can just ask. Now, instead of hunting across tools, you just ask, in plain English. The platform plans the work, runs it, checks its own answer, and hands back a sourced result in seconds. What used to take a team of analysts, weeks. How? Underneath, every record shares one identity, a molecule, the company that owns it, the factory that makes it, the doctor who prescribes it, the plan that pays for it. And AI reasons across those connections, finding links a team would take weeks to see. It's how the platform named 28 of the 34 drugs Medicare chose to negotiate, before they were ever announced. And this isn't one report, it's the whole business. 7 connected workspaces, more than 30 focused lenses, every screen reading from that same graph. Take a single drug, Eliquis, a $21 billion blood thinner. Every legal brief says it's protected until 2031. The graph shows the real wall is November 2026, 5 years sooner. With the generics already approved, the price cut coming, and the exact factory that makes it. One screen, every number agreeing. Everyone sells a piece of this picture. We built the graph that joins them and taught it to answer. TransDataNexus is built, live, and looking for its first partners. Thank you for watching.